question for you. How is your car? Is it acting funny in the heat?
I don't know. I think it's fine. But we're going to find out all the heat impacts that can happen during our summer months. The tires, the battery, what else? If your car's shaking a little, Howard has all the answers for you when we return.
Good morning, Arizona. Not too bad out there right now as we are hanging out with Howard in our back parking lot. We are talking about brakes because a lot of times, you know, we think about the heat and tires, but brakes can actually take a beating in the summer months as well.
Well, absolutely, because we do talk about heat and tires, and the heat destroys tires, but it also destroys brakes. Brakes can be up to 600 degrees when they're in full use, okay? So you got to be able to depend on them.
That's insane. That is intense heat. I mean, 600 degrees.
Yeah, 600 degrees. You just asked me what's the worst thing that can happen when your brakes go out.
And how much does that cost to replace?
Well, it depends. If you're paying attention, it's not going to be real expensive. A basic brake job's $140, $150. Most cars, single axle. Don't get sucked into the $79.95, $69.95 deals, because before you leave, it's going to be $4.95. Go to a real shop. But just some examples. Keep your ears open. Listen. You know, all the vehicles are designed with a tab. See the little tab there?
This.
Yep.
This little one.
That's designed to make noise when the vehicle gets to a point, or in this case, this one's designed to actually send you a message on your dashboard. But you can hear that sound. And as soon as you hear that, pay attention. Problem is, we turn the stereo on full blast, we got the air conditioning on full blast, we don't hear this stuff. So this is a rotor that came in. Now rotors are designed as they get bigger to be lightweight. They put fins in them. Okay, see the fins? See what that was? That was the inside fin on that rotor.
Wow.
Meaning that whoever drove it to the point that he just took off one side of that rotor completely and got all the way into the fins.
So what are some other things we need to be on the lookout for with our brakes? What are the trouble issues?
Okay, that's an expensive fix.
That's an expensive fix.
Listen, smell. Brakes as they're going out, sometimes there's an odor involved. Very often I hear people at the counter say, I'm not sure about my brakes, but I've got a new odor that I've never had before. Pay attention to your vehicle, okay? Get home safely. Noise. Pedal. If your pedal gets hard and comes up, could be telling you something's going on. Or it gets soft and goes down. That could tell you that a master cylinder is going out. So just pay attention. Free brake inspections. It's August, it's brake safety month.
Yes.
Everybody's got free brake inspections.
Oh, we like free.
Including us. And of course in RPro, any of the shops, qualified technicians, they'll do a free brake inspection and tell you what you need, or a free second opinion.
So this is the month. Get your brakes checked.
This is the month.
You can do it for free because like Howard mentioned, you can potentially have to spend a lot of money if you don't.
Absolutely. And unlike a lot of our electronics, this is very simple. This tells you if your brakes are good or bad. You go in and you measure them. The technician can measure them with you and show you where you're at. Tells you if the brakes are good or bad.
Okay. Moral of the story, get your brakes checked this month. It's not going to cost you anything, and it could save you a lot of trouble in the future.